So in this video we're going to draw a rectangle and measure its area and its perimeter. So I'm going to draw a rectangle that's 8 centimeters length and 4 centimeters width. So I'll do that first and then I'll measure its perimeter and finally I'll measure its area. So I'm going to roughly draw out an 8 centimeter line here, matched with an 8 centimeter line here and a 4 centimeter line here and a 4 centimeter line here. Let's put our measurements. This line is 8 centimeters. This line is also 8 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and this line is 4 centimeters. So first of all, to measure its perimeter. So the perimeter then is the distance from point all the way around the edge of the perimeter and back here. So if you were to walk along this line here, and what distance would you travel around that boundary? Another way to think of it then is fencing. So if you were to put fencing around your field, how much fencing would you have to put around this line, or the whole boundary of the rectangle? So if you travel the first line, your perimeter is going to be, you're going to travel 8 centimeters. And if you travel the second line, that's going to be another 4 centimeters. Then you need to travel again this line, which is another 8 centimeters. And finally you need to travel this distance, which is another 4 centimeters. So let's add them together. Well, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 plus 4 equals 24 centimeters. And then the perimeter is equal to 24 centimeters. Area then is a little bit different. For area, what we're actually measuring is this space inside. So all of the space inside that boundary, or if you think about all of the grass that's inside the fence around a lawn. And to calculate that then, area, we simply multiply length times width. So as above, our length, which is always the longest side, is 8 centimeters. We're going to multiply that then by our width, which was 4 centimeters. And 8 times 4 is equal to 32 centimeters squared. And it's important that we record that squared when we're talking about area. Okay, let's try one or two more examples. So this time we have to find the perimeter and area of a garden which is a length of 5 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. So the perimeter, we add all the sides. Let's roughly sketch out our area. So 5 centimeters across, 4 centimeters down, 5 centimeters back, 4 centimeters up. Mark in our distances. So 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. And then let's imagine we walk from this point all the way around the edge of the rectangle. So we travel 5 centimeters. Then we travel 4 centimeters. Then we travel 5 centimeters. And finally we travel another 4 centimeters. Let's add those together. 5 and 5 is 10, 4 and 4 is 8. So that equals 18 centimeters. So if you were to walk from here the whole way around, you would travel 18 centimeters. Or if you were to put up fencing, you would have to put up 18 centimeters of fencing. Calculate the area then. The area is length times width. Our length is 5 centimeters, which is always the long side. Our width is 4 centimeters. So length is 5 times width is 4, and 5 fours is equal to 20 centimeters squared. Okay, that's just a short video where we drew a rectangle and measured its area and its perimeter.